Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a measurement anonymously on your Garmin Index BPM, which means it won't be saved. If you want to take a reading for a different person and you don't really want to add that person as a user because you're just gonna do it once, for example, just want to do it quickly without adding the user and stuff like that, then you can simply just do it anonymously. And in order to do it, you should first wake the device, of course, with pressing on any button. Then the screen should go on. You'll see the Garmin triangle. Now you'll see the name of the user. When you click on the user button, the one at the top, you'll go to the user with a question mark. Now you can start a reading. Of course, I don't have it on my arm currently, so it's not gonna read anything. But this is basically how it works, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.